Today, I'll show you a natural remedy for male potency, made with simple ingredients you probably already have at home. First, chop 8 cloves of garlic into small pieces. Garlic is known to improve circulation and support male performance. Next, add 3 spoons of honey. Honey is a natural energy booster that also helps balance hormones. Then pour in 50 ml of homemade apple cider vinegar. This ingredient helps regulate blood pressure and supports overall health. Now mix everything well until it forms a smooth consistency. The prepared remedy should be stored in a small jar and kept in the refrigerator. This mixture lasts for 5 days, so always make a fresh batch when needed. How to take it. Mix 2 spoons of this natural medicine into a glass of water. Drink it once a day in the morning on an empty stomach, 30 minutes before meals. Follow this routine for 5 days, then prepare a new batch. This natural remedy is excellent for boosting circulation, improving male potency, lowering high blood pressure, and combating impotence. But here's the thing, while this homemade recipe is effective, what if you could get even faster and stronger results? After years of research, experts developed Nitrox Pro, a scientifically optimized formula that takes all the benefits of this recipe and enhances them with even more powerful ingredients. Nitrox Pro is designed to dramatically increase blood flow, boost testosterone, and restore male performance faster and more efficiently than any home remedy. If you're looking for a stronger, more practical solution to improve circulation, energy, and stamina, click the link in the description and try Nitrox Pro today. By the way, where are you watching from? Drop a comment with your country and city. I love seeing how many people from around the world are watching. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.